So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here search button and just right click to type. You enter your motherboard require the driver, then hit enter. Z790 Eagle. Then click to product. Then you can see this is 1x, AX and 10 fact that to click any installation process almost same. Almost means 100% same. You select that if you have to. Then click to support. Select your first you can see the operating system. So if you have Windows 10, 11, any, so you can select any which is you have using. So because the installations process same. Okay. Audio driver, click to download. When you click to download here, it will start automatically. So it is downloaded, then open. Then this is extract driver, so just click on double click on exe. After that you have to ask, click on yes or no, require administrator rights for the installations like that. Click on yes. Then this is extract to your system. Now you can see this is installing. Then it is done and closed. This is